I hope you're having a great day. So this morning I went and delivered those tiny vases and dropped those off, and then I got out here and I started harvesting. So I harvested a few zinnias so far, not as many as yesterday, and now I'm harvesting bachelor buttons. So with bachelor buttons, this one right here to me is a perfect one to harvest. And then I go all the way down. So there's the very bottom. Here's the stem that we're talking about. And I'm gonna cut it, like right here. I'm just gonna cut it off. So then I have this big long stem, and I'm gonna just strip the entire stem. And this is what I'm left with. Just a clean stem. And then I just throw it in my bucket of water. And it looks like I have a few to do. So I had a good harvest again today. Pretty much the same things that you've been seeing. I got one lisianthus, a bunch of yarrow, some rudbeckia, some of my baby's breath, ageratum. I did a couple bells of Ireland. I do see some celosia coming on. And then my friend came out and weeded around some of the dahlias where I don't have any of the black stuff laid. And then I pulled up some more black stuff. So some things are getting done on the farm today. It's exciting. And then I got another order today. I did a bouquet. I'll show you guys what that looked like. And I took a big order to a florist, and then I took those mini bouquets to the coffee shop. So pretty successful morning, got a lot done. It is only about 80 degrees today, so I'm gonna do a little bit of weeding. So we'll see how far it goes, and then maybe I'll do some more tomorrow morning. Okay, if you remember, I said I brought home a $10 bouquet and a $20 bouquet from the farmer's market, and I was going to try something with them. So these are just market bouquets, and while I do try to make them look nice in the vase, because I know a lot of people keep them in the vase, they are just like any like wrap bouquet. You can take them out and play with them and make them into anything you want. So I have filled these with some water, and I am going to try to arrange these and make it look cute centerpiece in my table. It is so cute. I absolutely love it. Yes, like I could go out and just forage some hosta leaves or some stuff from my yard and fill in right there. But honestly, just like looking at the table, it looks adorable. And that is just off using the two market bouquets. This side has a little bit different look because I didn't have the frosted explosion grass, but I did throw more of the yellow on this side for a different look. Again, I could just maybe I could take some hosta leaves or something and fill in. But I mean, that is a pretty like massive little centerpiece there. And all it was a $20 market bouquet and a $10 market bouquet. So for $30, I was able to fill 4 little mason jars and a big mason jar and make this adorable centerpiece for my table. For 30 bucks, I have this awesome centerpiece on my table, and all I did is take something I already have and put mason jars in it, and then just kind of line up my flowers in the mason jars until I thought they looked cute. I did cut off quite a bit of the stems. So the stems are really long so that you can put them in a really tall vase and make them look really nice. But I was really just wanting something shorter, and so this works. I mean, I cut off a lot of the stems, and it is Monday, and I made those on Friday, so maybe this will give them even a longer vase life. Who knows? We'll take one more look. I just love that frosted explosion grass. I love like the ring of gold around my rudbeckia. The lilies have been lasting. Those top ones might even open up. I don't know. The stalk smells wonderful in the kitchen. And I just think it looks really cute. But anyway, that's going to be it for this video. It's just another day in the life of flower farming. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a fantastic day.